Mount Kenya area, we have lost enough men. We have so many widows around, and that means that we have households that are headed by women without covering, without protection, and I'm thinking it is time we say no to this. Those ones who are making those poisons and killing our people, they better be served on notice. We are not relenting. We are going to continue until this thing comes to an end. That is something I've sworn to myself. The church is working, and the women are going to rise, and as mothers, we are saying no to this, and it must stop. It is very frustrating, not only to me, but to everyone who has been making an effort in rehabilitation. When we are trying to get some out of this drug addiction, others are going there and making it their business. They better look for another business because we are tired. We cannot bury our children and they are not killing theirs. So anyone who does this, we can tell them they are murderers, and any murderer ought to be in the cell and behind bars. We have just lost another 11 people and others have gone blind. This is a crisis that is in the country, and all of us must come together and work and make sure that we are not losing a generation, and we are also not losing fathers, and we are not losing the boy child. I said I will continue to stand for this boy child, and if even it means registrating very serious laws that will be able to mitigate for this. I'm willing to mobilize and make sure that we are not losing our men. Men are the seed carriers, and I've said time and again. And if the seed carrier is not there, it's like having a garden and without seeds, and that means that you'll not have a harvest. Na nie ingiuga hĩndĩ ĩrĩa gwĩkĩrwo mawatho atĩ ngari yothe ĩrakua nyamũ ta ĩyo, wona yanyitwo na vangi, ngari ĩyo ĩgacinwo o hau hau na vangi ĩyo, tondũ vangi ici nocio ithiaga wona cianyitwo ciĩ ngari-inĩ, na nĩ nyonete maita maingĩ na nĩ tũrauga cikoywo cigatwarwo borithi, igũtũra borithi mĩaka na mĩaka, ũgakora nĩ ciorĩire kuo na nocio icio cokaga kũnyuo. So mawatho nĩ ndĩreciria na thirikari, and of course the National Assembly and the Senate, ũrĩa mangĩhota, the county governments moke na mawatho marĩa makũhota ku address maũndũ maya maratũhe kĩeha. Ngwĩciria ira iyo andũ meciria ũrĩa kũrathire, ndigwĩciria nĩ ũndũ mwega, tondũ amwe acio nĩ maithe ma andũ. Rĩu twĩna widows 11. My boy children have died, another 11, na no twĩroreire. No tũrĩgĩkinya handũ angĩkorwo watho no ũkĩreme-rĩ, ithuĩ atumia nĩ tũkũmenya ũrĩa tũgwĩka. It is something that is very serious. Atĩ no ũthiĩ ũke ũrage andũ 11, ũthiĩ ũrĩhio ciringi 50 bodi, ume ũke ũrage angĩ 20. I think nĩ tũrarora ũrĩa ona registratures, the MPs and the Senate mangĩhota kũka na mawatho marĩa makũhota deal na ũhoro ũyũ wa njohi cia ibango ona ndawa icio cia kũrebia.